The Etruscan civilization was developed by a people of Etruria in ancient Italy with a common language. The Etruscan civilization was developed by a people of Etruria in ancient Italy with a common language and culture who formed a federation of city-states. Etruscan civilization endured until it was assimilated into Roman society. Assimilation began in the late 4th century BC as a result of the Roman-Etruscan Wars. It accelerated with the grant of Roman citizenship in 90 BC and became complete in 27 BC, when the Etruscans' territory was incorporated into the newly established Roman Empire.